Today we are diving into the perfect formula for drafting the perfect prompt that will give you the best result from chatboxes like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Microsoft Copilot, and the rest. Whether you are in business, you are in research, you are in entertainment, social media marketing, project management, engineer, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When prompting a chatbox, the key to success lies in 5 crucial components. Number 1, context. Provide a brief background. Number 2, specific question. Ask a clear and direct question. Number 3, intent. Explain what you aim to achieve. Number 4, relevant keywords. Use terms that focus the response. Number 5, response format. Specify how you want the information to be presented. Having worked on different types of prompts and prompting and asking different types of questions, I've come up with the ultimate formula for getting the best out of these chat boxes. The ultimate formula is context plus specific question plus intent plus response format equals perfect prompt. Let's start with a business scenario. Imagine you need a market analysis. So the context is, I'm launching a new eco-friendly product in the personal care industry. The specific question is, what are the current market trends and key players in this sector? The intent is, I want to understand the market landscape, relevant keywords, eco-friendly, personal care, market trends, key players. Then the response format, provide a bullet point summary. Let's look at the answer. Next is research. Suppose we are investigating a renewable energy sources. Context, I'm conducting a research on renewable energy. Specific question, what are the latest advancements in solar energy technology? Intent, I need a detailed information for my study. The relevant keywords are renewable energy, solar technology, advancements. The response format, give a detailed explanation. Let's check out the result, the prompt, the perfect answer to that prompt. For education, imagine you are a teacher preparing a lesson plan. Context, I'm teaching a high school history class. Specific question, how can I explain the causes of World War III engagingly? The intent, I want to make the lesson interesting for students. Relevant keywords, high school, history, causes of World War II, engaging method. Response format, list interactive teaching strategies. In social media, suppose you need to create engaging content. Context, I manage a social media account for a fitness brand. Specific question, what are some creative post ideas for prompting our new workout program? Intent, I want to boost engagement on our social media platforms. Relevant keywords, fitness brand, social media content, creative post ideas, workout programs. Response format, suggest 5 post ideas. Now, let's tackle proposal pitches. Context, I'm pitching a project on AI integration in healthcare. Specific question, what are the benefits of AI in healthcare that I should highlight? Intent, I need to persuade stakeholders of the project value. Relevant keywords, AI integration, healthcare, benefits, response format. List the benefits in bullet points. Now let's look at project management. Suppose you need to outline a project management plan. Context, I'm planning a new software development project. Specific question, what steps should I include in my project plan? Intent, I need a clear roadmap to ensure project success. Relevant keywords, software development, project plan, steps. Response format, outline the steps in a numbered list. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and hit the notification button for more tricks and tips. See you in the next video.